Boys and girls, let's go behind the barn door and see some horses. First horse. Boys and girls, watch this horse show off.
Whoa! Whoa!
Pretty funky.
Jeez. Came right up to me, boys and girls. Whoa. Hi! Hi! Whoa, boys and girls. Hello again. Hello again. Hi again. Hi. Good running. Huh, boys and girls? Good running. There he goes again. There he goes. There he goes. Hi! Hi, yes! Showing off, I think, boys and girls. Showing off. But we like that, don't we? We like to watch a horse show off. Yes, he's having fun. He's having fun. Yes, girls, this horse is watching this horse over here.
Goats.
What are you two girls doing, huh? You two mamas to be. There they go. Oh, don't do it too hard because you're gonna hurt your head. Oh my goodness. Is it good? Good and yummy, huh? Good and yummy? Yes, they're sharing food. They like each other, yes. Two mother goats. Well, I should say goats that will be mothers soon. Gonna come up to me now, huh? Hi there. Yes, come on up. Come on up and see us. Come on up and see us. Do you want to say hi? No, you want to rub your forehead? Do you want to... Nope. Do you... Oh my goodness, you just kissed my camera. Hmm? Oh, it must feel good rubbing against that, huh? It must feel good, huh? You come back up, huh? You come back up. Oh, don't eat my clothes. Don't eat my clothes. I saw you trying to eat my shirt. Want to eat my shirt, huh? Huh? Drinking water?
Second horse.
Hi! You're such a beautiful horse, yes. Whoa! What's your name, huh? In fact, I'll call you Unique. You're really a unique looking horse. Look at that, boys and girls. The white tail. View of him from the back. Look at that, boys and girls. Such a unique looking horse, because you don't see horses with so many different colors, and they're in different parts of his body. Nose. Got a white spot on his nose too.